Greetings from Flaten, Ekudden, and it's time for a jump in the lake Flaten on the spontaneous nude beach spot this evening. 5:35 p.m. it is, and the sun is still up for around 3 more hours. Actually, the sunset is at 20:50, which means that the day is getting shorter and shorter. And beach number 118 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. And we have sunny after evening, after having clouds mostly all day. And the color of the water is so clean and so see-through, as you can see. And 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and I'm just wondering how warm it is in the lake, which we're gonna find out in a bit. 20 degrees Celsius we have, with a bit of clouds also now, but we continue the vlog anyway. Yes. Reached the number 118, and I'm gonna enjoy a nice swim here in the Lake Flaten. I'm at Ekudden. I was actually walking 25 minutes from Stockholm to get here. That's also one other way, because the buses to Flaten are very few, and also you need to walk around anyway. So the closest metro station is Stockholm. But this spot is unexplored yet, but maybe because of my videos it will be more and more people coming here for a visit. And it's cloudy a bit, but also windy, I was trying to say. So it's gonna be nice with a swim, dip first, and then I'm gonna continue to swim for about 15 minutes. It's not so good, not so pleasant when there is lots of wind, so we're gonna see how it goes. There is a bit of plants outside on the water, so but I'm going to jump anyway. 10th of August is today, beach number 118. It seems that everyone is back to work and back to reality in Stockholm. People from their summer houses have come back. People on vacation in Europe and other countries have come back as well. So now what is pending is the rhythm and the autumn to come, indeed. Hopefully there will be some few more sunshines now, but the clouds are unpredictable how they are moving. And yeah, I'm not gonna wait any longer. It's time for Chris to go for a swim despite this heavy wind. So ready, set, and go! It's amazing, and yeah, it's not my first time jumping here. I know that it's deep, so that's why I do it. Yeah, it's a very nice evening despite the wind, and yeah, soon also, in 1 month and 4 days, it's gonna be free to explore the archipelago, the islands that are further from Stockholm. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm really hoping for some great weather in September. Flaten nature this is, and it's beautiful. This beautiful lake Flaten, which I keep returning to, as it's really a blessing to have the proximity to this nature over here. So yeah, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer, but thank you so much for watching this episode from this spontaneous nudity spot in nature, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.